Greetings. In this video, we will be going over the tools and software you will need to help you get started and run a successful Amazon business. First, you will need AMZ Analyzer or another product analyzer to help you scan product lists and find profitable products fast and easy. They can help you quickly scan through product lists containing thousands of products in a matter of minutes. AMZ Analyzer is $29 a month and is what I use. However, there are similar softwares that may be cheaper. Second is Jungle Scout Chrome extension, or you can simply use Jungle Scout Sales Estimator for free online. Jungle Scout Chrome extension is $40 a month, I believe, but you can just use the free online estimator if you don't want to spend the money. They help you estimate the monthly sales on a product so you can figure out how much a product is actually selling. Next is Keepa. Keepa is $17 a month and is an absolute necessity. Keepa lets you look at a product's sales rank history and price history, which is absolutely critical in determining potential profitable products. Next is DS Amazon Quick View. It's a simple tool that shows you sales rank, FBA sellers, and if Amazon is selling the product, all without even clicking on the product itself. We will go more in depth on how to actually use these tools later in the course.